Okay, so looking at a few tickers right now for pre-market. However, there is some news of the Ukraine war that caused the market to drop a little bit. Even before that, the market did gap down. So real quick, looking at the 5-minute chart on SPY, we can see it came back down. It's holding a level, so that's good. And Q, I think I saw, yep, Q came down, but it too is holding a level. So we'll see how the market moves on that. So AMC is going to be one of my main watches. The levels are 28 for a potential bounce, which it did at pre-market, and might be forming a double bottom. So 5-minute down here, you can see a potential W forming, but I'm going to keep on watch. Uh, Resistance, I'm looking at 30, possible trend join, not too sure, but we'll see what it does. AMD 120 will be the support level. So it bounced, or sorry, the resistance lines are up here, but it became a support down here. So potential bounce and resistance yesterday's aftermarket high. MU, so MU had good earnings yesterday. The level I'm looking at is 82 for potential long. If it breaks down, I'll go for a short. The reason is, if you look down here, we can see a doji, possibly I think that's called a graveyard doji. It might not be correct, but that's a reversal pattern to me. So right now it is above, but if it breaks down, I'll short it. If it goes above, or sorry, it comes back up. It looks like it did bounce a little bit. Yeah, I'll still watch it though after opening because we don't know what's going to happen. And resistance will be 87.5s. Apple, still looking at it, still strong. It is overextended within channel. I may try to short it at 179. Definitely a bounce at 176. If it breaks the 179, maybe a trend join. Let's see. Yeah, because that'll start testing the highs after that, but it is very, very overextended. That's like what, 11 days? Half the month is just running. So shorting will happen soon. It's going to come down pretty bad, pretty soon, and it's going to be bad. So waiting for to capture that. Another one, Snap. Snap on more short bias. Um, yeah, on daily, it does look like it's gonna run. I think it's above. No, it's not. It's within channel. So right here, potential bounce. Below, I will probably short it, but daily shows it's actually pretty decent. And if you look at the Heikinashi on the 5 minutes right here, it is a bullish. Plus, if you look at stochastics, bullish. And let's go back to the 1 minute. It's still up here, so it's up here, so it's still pretty strong. It did bounce on down here, but this is pre-market, and with all the news, I'm trying to stay frosty. Mm. Hearing some news about Rivian. Listening on the podcast right now, so let's see. 54. Mm. I don't like this level. It's not clear. I mean, there is a resistance right here. Can't short it because it's hard to borrow. So we'll have to see. That's hood. So a lot of talk about hood. Um, Looks like there was a price target change. Don't like the levels. I mean, it's not clear. So I mean, you can short right here, but it's hard to borrow. Yeah, hard to borrow. So it's kind of difficult to trade this. Oh, but I see NVIDIA. NVIDIA, I feel like it's gonna come down. Let's see, would that mean AMD? AMD is more bullish because it's not really a doji. You can see the pattern right here. This is more like a hammer. And then if you look at like MU or NVIDIA, that's more of a doji. So we'll see what happens. AMD might be running on its own today, but who knows? Keep an eye. AMC gonna be main watch. Haven't even traded anything, so just gonna watch. I'm curious about that. Oxy. Ooh, Oxy is strong. Um, Oxy is showing a potential head and shoulder uh on the daily. Gonna keep watch. Maybe on the side. Let's see. So 58, 60. Hmm. A little hard to tell. I want to just set alert. Because I want to see what happens. I'm not too familiar with this sector, so I want to observe a little more. Other ones. Okay. All right. So 5 minutes left. I'll be right back. Okay. Let's see. Hey, MC. Don't like the move. Gonna have to wait and see at opening. Tech is running. No idea what that one's doing. Snap, not much. Back to AMC, looks like it's coming down. Looking. Let's say bounce right here. If it does go down that far, might just do a scalp on it. AMD might be done for a little bit. Let's take a look at other ones. GME. A reject. 73. We'll do an alert. If it goes here, then that means AMC can run a bit more. Let's see. Alright, 1 minute left. Let's see. Oops. MU. Okay, AMC. I'm gonna wait a little bit. Some of these seem still. So you can't see. I'm watching on a different monitor right now. It's just to find what's good. Okay, and I would say Apple. Okay, GME. All right, AMC might have something. Let's see GME real quick. All right. It's not strong enough. Apple. Let's wait and see. All right, AMC is actually going down. Apple, it's gonna go. Going for entry there. So we got a big one at 79s. An add. Let's see, I feel like my platform's lagging a little bit. Okay, like that one. Bad fill. Okay. Coming down a little bit. Gonna wait. I think this is gonna be a strong one today. And we'll keep this one a wide uh, widespread. Okay, so it's coming. I'll take it. I gotta stop entering up here. Trying to go down here, but you can see it's pushed me up here. So let's see. All right, Tillery's running. Tillery must have news. Uh, Tillery's. All right, so Oxy's running. AMD's running. I'm gonna focus on Apple. Okay, let's take a look at. Oh, nice. AMD, Oxy. So Oxy's done. Yeah, it's running. Okay, so I don't know what's going on, but I think there is some lag issues going on right now. So Apple's going. Oh, nice. Actually launched something this morning, so it's gonna be bullish. Just gonna wait. AMD. Gonna wait a few more. Okay, it might be a trend join. Just gonna focus on. Go back. Oh, okay. That's strength. That's a lot of strength. Okay, let it sit. 10. Keep it small. Okay, 20 on Apple. Resistance would be. Okay, it's above that resistance level. So 180 might be. Let's see if it will keep going, because I think this might test a high. Just watch. All right, and AMD is going. Finally got some money back on that. Apple. Yeah, there is some lag. I'm like having a hard time working my platform. Alright, so I'm not the only one having platform issues. Alright, Micron, I missed my bounce level. So you see he's down here. Had a bounce or short. That was the bounce level I was looking for. Back to AMD. Okay, I don't like how laggy my platform is. So, yeah, I'm already missing Apple. Alright, let's get out. I can't. Okay, this is a pullback. Don't take a risk. Take a risk on bounce. Okay, app. Yeah, that was not a good average. I'm gonna try another one at VWAP. Yeah, platform is causing a lot of issues for me right now. Okay, so expecting a bounce right here. Once it goes above VWAP, oh, I'll take it. Alright, it's actually just in case. I'm gonna take it out right here. If it doesn't bounce, I need to exit. Alright. It bounced late. Okay, so this became a pullback instead, or a possible pullback. Alright, I like this one right here. Of course. Okay. Alright, Q's coming down. SPY's coming down. This one's still trying to hold. So 62, I'll exit. I might have to call it a day. Okay, Q is coming back up. Let's see. Snap. Okay, my platform's starting to seem better. Did I enter too much on Apple? No, 20 shares. Okay. Keep an eye right here. Okay, AMD's running. Okay, didn't get my entry. Take a small one. It's running. There we go. Let's enter here. I'm expecting more of a rejection, closer to 37.5s. Apple is struggling, but it looks like it might run. Okay, Apple is still running. Gonna take a small one. This will be Chase, but I think it can test a little bit higher. Okay, let that run. Snap. Okay, I missed the exit. Let's get out. 10. What's it trying to do? It's trying to do something. Let's get out. AMD. Might be a short. Okay. Q's coming down. Let's see if AMD can pop a little bit more. Alright, stochastic's still good. Might be a pullback. Apple is still... Alright, I'm still seeing a little bit of lag issue going on. Alright, once I can exit these guys, I will just call it a day. The platform is causing too much trouble for me. Alright, this might be a pullback, small micro pullback. Give me it. Getting entry. Let's see. 26. I think it's gonna go. Morning's choppy. Okay, Snap actually ran without me. That's fine. This might be a breakout. If it goes above 37.8, it might be a breakout. Let's do a 5. Oh, come on. That should have not triggered. That should have not triggered. Okay, moving it to here, trying to get out. Maybe not. Okay, it's coming up. Okay, well, it worked in my favor on that. It's coming up. AMD might be my biggest winner today, but gotta keep an eye. I really don't like this lag going on. No, no, not gonna add. I am overextended. Okay, AMD still running. Snap. Alright, Snap is having a hard time. Yeah, this leg is not cool. Let's get out. Okay, Apple coming down. AMD still keeping an eye on Apple. Apple is struggling, but it's still holding above 178.5. So 178.5. You can see it's holding up here, so that's a good sign. Alright, AMD coming. It's a little choppy. Still holding above 125. It might be a red day today just because it's just so much trouble with the platform. Actually, I think I should set it up wide around here. Yeah, right here. Might be a pullback still. Okay, let's... Might be a wider spread. Okay, let's get it. It bounced, okay. Might be a VWAP bounce. Although it's very close to reversal. Stay above. Okay. Average down. So 125, that's a high one. It bounced VWAP at least. Alright, Q, it just spiked. And then Apple's now finally going. Let's see how far I can go. AMD is lagging. Alright, after these two, I'm just going to close the platform. Okay, SPY is running. Q is just breaking resistance now. So it's testing one, well, it's actually struggling at 370. Once it breaks, AMD and Apple should run with it. So let's give some time. Yeah, stochastics was bad. 5 minutes is still looking good though. So let's wait. And I don't want to average down because I don't want to be trapped. Let's give it some time. While Apple goes, Apple making some money back. Alright, struggling at this resistance. Okay, Q is starting to break. Okay, the key level for Q is 370.6. So if we can get up to there, market can probably go further. Okay, AMD showing some weakness. It's a pullback. At least what it looks like for now. Yes. I'll exit at VWAP or under VWAP. It's a little tough. Micron's coming up, so it might bring the semis with it. This is a very, very choppy morning. Okay. Alright, Q just pull back. Snap misplay. So you can see it got through my bounce level. It's very whippy and hard to see, so probably a good thing not entering. EMD is still okay. So I'm back to green on PL, but let's not look at PL. Looking at the candle, so it's bouncing. I want to say I want to. Yeah, that's not average. It's gonna let it run. Like I said, today might be a red day for me. It's undecided right now. Apple came down. What's going on? That's a big red. I don't like that red. I missed my exit too. I'm gonna do maybe a 5 right here if it bounces. Um, Staying above this, so if it breaks down, that's not good for me. Q and SPY are struggling to break. So still staying above the 50. Came down a little bit. Spread. Okay. Let's. Came back up. Okay. Yeah, I'm out. Look how. Oh, got caught in the rug pull. Uh, Fighting to come back up. Okay, it's coming down. Let's see. Something's going on with the market. Okay, gonna wait and see what happens. Okay, above VWAP I will enter. Oh, add in. Just trying to break even now. So 24.8, that's pretty high. Yeah, unfortunately my average is at a resistance. So let's see if we can get above it. Wonder if it's actually trying to form a inverse head and shoulder right here. Okay, stochastic's coming up. Now it's showing a bit more strength, but looking at the time frame right now, is 3 minutes left before it can show a good sign, good pattern. Okay, so it's looking into L2. It is going up. Not. It's getting to stop around like 65. Okay, it broke it. All right, Micron is trying to break through. Come on. this is starting to show possible a possible inverse head and shoulder. Going to watch. It's staying above the VWAP. So this dot line is VWAP. Looking at L250. Alright. Okay. Struggling at between. Okay. Struggling in the low 60s, high 50s. Q is just going bonkers. Or QQQs are going bonkers. So we'll see. Will it form the inverse head and shoulder? If it form head and inverse shoulder, then it might test. If it breaks out the 125, it can test the high of day again. Stochastic, yep. Okay, awesome. Let's start planning to exit. Okay, so my highest on AMD 125.14. Okay, so it's trying to break. Coming down a little bit. I did miss the exit. Okay, there we go. Come on. Just a little more. Yes, I'm looking at PL. Should not do that. But this is also possible inverse head and shoulder, which I'm banking on. Let's see, L2. Okay, so Dow just went green. That's a good sign. Okay, come on, let's break it. Micron coming up. Alright, still choppy. I don't like that. Gonna break even. Alright, Qs are coming down a little bit. This might be a failed head and shoulder. If it can get above here, Well, if it gets above 125, where my limit is. Let's see how it goes. All right, it's building pressure, so that's a good sign. So looking at L2, it's been trying to go down below 70 cents, but it keeps on popping back. And you can see the actions right here. Okay, it is building the pressure. So and the highest was it's actually 25.39. Okay, so that's pretty high. Still holding above VWAP. So stochastic is coming down. Still on the top side though. This one's coming down though. Q coming down a little bit. Let's get ready to exit. It's holding. I'm trying to hold above VWAP. Alright, out. Okay, red day for me. I think I lost like 20 bucks, 30. Okay, yeah, that's a lot. That's too much for a day. All right, just gonna call it a day. Unfortunately, today had a little bit of lag issues. Uh, so my entries were late, my executions were bad. Uh, I'd rather just take it a loss today and reapproach it tomorrow. So it's not a complete loss. I am down, I would say 30 bucks for the month. Yeah, about 30 bucks for a month because of today. But just taking the loss and calling it a day. Originally, I was supposed to do like two greens and one red. Um, did get a little flexible, mainly because the platform was a little choppy. But yeah, need to just call it a day. Okay, so when I was just thinking right after it closed, with the platform being laggy, my plan of attack for that one is if I see a lag, I don't care how much of a loss or profit, I will need to exit right there and then. Today I held. Ah, jeez. Apple is now just spiking. Not doing any entries. I'm just taking the loss. I do not want to overtrade. Uh, my mental capital is drained a little bit because I am frustrated from the lag today. So just let it be. If it runs, whatever. But yeah. So plan attack for next time. If I see a lag, I'm just gonna exit. I don't care how much of a loss, how much of a profit. As you can see earlier when I held, my PL just went down. So big loss day because of me holding after the leg. Alright, that's pretty much it. Not trading, just I just want to highlight something. The last few days, the morning was just choppy and hard to read, and now the midday market running again. This is to me, this is getting annoying. Uh, like right now, AMD, look, it's now coming back up, and then Apple, look at this. I, I, I have no real words about what's going on. These late day runners are, and you can see this like there's some lag going on still. So that's a good thing that I'm not trading right now, and we're just only talking about it. I just literally had to drag a ticker. So in TOS you can drag a ticker from a different chart and over. Use these more instants. Now is you can see there's a small lag. So choose AMC. AMC is gonna run. I'm already frustrated. I don't know if I will really want to take it. Let's give it a little time to see what it does. I'm at my max loss, but this midday is a lot easier to read. At the same time, I'm contradicting myself. And Q is coming back down. AMD still running. Snap is running. Apple coming down. Alright. AMC. Volume's too low. I can't do this on the volume. It's not moving fast or a whole lot for me. Alright, today's just too yeah. No. Gotta stop. Yeah, and I just try and drag AMD to my main screen. It just like uh, took over a different chart, and that's showing a lot more lag happening still. So yeah, just calling it a day, closing the platform, and I'll just do the journaling later. If anything runs, it just runs. I don't care. My mental capital is done. All right, see you tomorrow.